In this demonstration, I'm going to show you some of the new list management features that are included in the Sage SalesLogix version 8 web client. We've navigated to the Accounts List View area and I've selected the Customers tab. One of the first things you'll notice is that there are now checkboxes next to each one of the records in this grid, which allows me to make random selections where in previous versions you had to remember to hold down either the Shift or Control key, which got kind of tricky to do, especially when you ended up having to scroll down through multiple pages of records. Again, where now the checkbox makes that a lot easier to select the records that you want to do something with, like save them as a group or export them. You can also revert a group back to its standard layout. And if I right-click on the Customer tab, you'll see the Revert Layout. And what that's going to do is, if I've made any modifications to the layout, for example, if I've moved the type field around, or if I've right-clicked on here and shut the type field off by unchecking it in the list, that'll stay. It's a sticky change, even if I log in and out and to a new session. However, if I want to come back and revert back to the standard layout, I do that and everything will shift back after a quick refresh here to the way the group was originally designed by whoever created it. So the type field has come back. Other things you can do is you can double click on a record in a list view now and it'll navigate you to the detail view for that record. It used to be that you have to click on, for example, the account name, you have to click on the hyperlink to go to Abbott Limited. Now I can double click anywhere in that row on any field and it's going to take me to the detail view for Abbott Limited without having to click on the hyperlink itself. And then finally, there is a refresh the list button so that if you've made changes or something's changed while this particular view was open, you can click on this refresh icon, which queries the database and presents the group of records back to you again, which is useful if you've made some changes temporarily or changes are happening to these records while you were logged into this particular screen. So that's a demonstration of some of the new list management features that are part of the Sage SalesLogix version 8 web client. Thanks for watching.